Hello, welcome to my channel, Tired Old Man. What we're going to show you in this video is the taking down of the fireplaces and chimneys before the house is to be moved. We took these fireplaces and chimneys down one brick at a time so we could try to preserve the brick to rebuild the fireplaces and keep the house as original as possible. What you're seeing here is the picture of the house the summer before it was to be moved. In this next picture, what you're seeing is my son, my handsome young man. He's taking the first brick off of the chimney. This is a bittersweet moment in my life because it's the end of an era with the beginning of the house having to be moved, and all the history that is associated with this house in its present location is not going to end, but it's just going to end this chapter, I guess, in the house. The sweet part of it is we know where the house is going, and we got a general idea of what we're going to do with the house, and we just can't wait to share that with you. We're going to save it till you see it, but I think you will really enjoy it. We hope you enjoy the video. There will be no history at the end of this video because it ran on a little long. But I hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.
Us on Facebook for chances to win tickets. There, very smart thing to do. Speaking of smart, if you think you
I know one thing I need is a broom.
Dog around.
You only gotta get you one. Yeah, I don't want to.
Seemingly excessive price of $60.
I got you one.
It's called dogmission.com. And by testing your dog, they'll give you a full breakdown of your dog's intelligence and personality. Personally, I think it's just a way to rip people off for $60, but I'll give you a link on Facebook and Twitter if you want to check it out nonetheless. And I have a cat, and I know she's an idiot. I don't need a test to tell me that.
This is so romantic.
Yes, it's the perfect Valentine's Day.
Oh, what
And your
a
Valentine
dog.
looks stunning, but as you gaze at
No.
did I get an
It
awesome
fell off
deal at
there, hit the
AT&T?
thing, and then fell in that
Buy
bucket
no
down
kill
there.
Indian
Yeah.
get one free.
Remember, I got a window down there too now.
And as you take your Valentine's hand, you think, wow, she will look great using a smartphone with live tiles, getting updates in real time. And you just can't wait to customize it on your phone.
So, what are you thinking?
You're thinking about that phone deal again. Don't tell her that.
AT&T, rethink possible.
Come in now and buy a Nokia Lumia 920 Windows Phone 8 for $99.99. And get a second Nokia Lumia 920 Windows Phone 8 free. And for a limited time, get a free charging plate when you purchase a Nokia Lumia 920. Visit the store or att.com for details.
Just wanted to let everyone know, a little disclaimer here. No one was injured during the filming of this.
Keeping you from owning the best quality furniture, computers, electronics, appliances, rims, and jewelry. No credit, need credit, no problem. Military and government funds are always supposed to credit. No rent, no monthly payment. That you live around ever and you retreat out. They're waiting for you right now at USA Discounts. They're ready for immediate delivery. The rail sound system and gaming system. Before you can forward, what about those tires and rims you want to keep?
Kate, what you doing, boy?
kits are always available too. Gary's Skin Graphics with 2 shops in Greenville, 1 in Goldsboro, and also 1 in Rocky Mount. Transforming your mediocre tattoos into work.
Touch-ups, redesigns, and laser tattoo removal. Valentine's Day is next.
Back over here.
Flowers is offering an amazing deal. 1 dozen assorted roses plus a free glass vase for just $19.99. This incredible deal expires this Friday. Go to proflowers.com and use the secret code 3636. 1 dozen stunning assorted roses sent fresh from the field, guaranteed to stay fresh for at least a year. Only $19.99 plus a free glass vase. The only way to get this amazing deal is to go to proflowers.com. Click on the radio microphone in the upper right corner and enter the secret code 3636. Your time has never been more in demand.
Took them about a day to do that. February 7th, 2013. Took them about 1 day. All those bricks right there are going to be reusable. Those 2. This is all the brick that they broke up. Compared to what's here. I had to get a piece of plywood or something and get put up there. They're expecting 2 inches of rain tonight. So, we'll have to get up there somehow or another and get it done. We saved every brick that we could possibly save from taking down the fireplaces and chimneys. Even the piece of bricks, we saved them so we could reuse them in the next rebuild. What you're seeing here is the crepe myrtle is gone. I did take it up and move it to where the house is going to be relocated. So I was trying to preserve all the history I could, even the trees that were around the house. I tried to preserve them. Trying to film it, Bob, because when it's gone, I can't get it back. I put that stuff on the outside of that thing probably been 30 years ago. Been a long time. Maybe not 30, but it's been a good 20. So, yeah, I had no idea it would last that long when I put it on there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.